of racing out here, you know. And we did a lot of Texas Motor last time. Sign up and if you pre-registered online, please check your registration here. And also,
Alright, we're here with Michael.
Oh, we're doing I'm sorry, I thought you were going to show me a video. My bad. My bad.
We have videos. We have lots of photos too.
I'm sorry.
Alright, so this is Michael. He's from Vengeance Racing. He's got the Cadillac CTS-V that's behind us. So, what are some things you got done to it?
So it's a Huron Speed twin turbo kit, LME built 427, turbo 400 built by RPM, Pro EFI fuel or Pro EFI engine control, air motor fuel pump, and 16 injectors.
Okay. So, what's the fastest you've had it so far?
It's been 7.8 flat at 177 miles an hour.
Okay. So, other tracks that you've actually been to besides this one, Street Car Takeover is probably one.
So we've done Bowling Green, Kentucky, Texas for Houston for Texas 2K. We've done Orlando Speed World. We've done House of Up in Aiken, South Carolina. Of course, Charlotte, TNAX. And
Okay.
and of course this one, Steele, Alabama.
Okay. So, when did you originally get the car and how have you built it since?
I've had the car 7 years. It was completely stock when I got it. First pass was a 12.5. Didn't know what I was doing. It's been 6 iterations. This one being the latest one, twin turbo build. We got one more coming up soon.
What's the end goal for it?
Fastest CTS-V in the world. And a 6-second pass.
6 seconds?
Yep. I want to run 6s at over 200. That's the goal.
That's a lot. Yeah. Especially with these heavy cars.
Yep. So, it, this pass right here was 4,200 pounds. 4,250 actually.
Yeah. How was the weigh-in? Have they had any issues?
Right. No, this one always makes weight. We've got it set up. You know, we don't play it like right at the edge. We always keep it 2,500.
Weird. I've been Vengeance Racing for a long time.
7 years.
Appreciate it. Nice interview. So I hope we actually get to see this on YouTube.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
Thank you guys.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Like and subscribe. 172.
Goes next. I want to make a Mopar joke now. This is the heavyweight final. We don't have a Hellcat in sight. Everybody joking about how heavy the Hellcats are, the Mopars. Well, we got 2 Cadillacs in heavyweight. Left lane has been 7 today. Right lane, qualified number 3 with an 802. So we got the heavyweight final sitting on the starting line. We got the stick final sitting back here in the water box.
Fucking row.
Good job. Dude, I told you, motherfucker. He fell on that shit. Yes. Good job, Mike. Mikey. Throw around the hood.
Throw her on the hood. We'll film that shit and sell it.
Throw around the hood.
Fucking gunslinger, my guy. That gunslinger. Hell yeah.
Never lose, man. Always bet on the counter.
Good job, man. That was great.
Thanks, man. Motherfucker forever.
I quit. I'm not racing anymore. Get out of my class.
Was that an 800?
On the nose.
That's awesome. Congratulations, Mike. Awesome.
Thank you.
I love it.
That was badass.
You'll love this video.
Yeah, watch all you. Watch these.
No hope.
Did you see him?
I call it the time.
He got up. I know.
Carrying the fucking
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's rolling out.
Thank you.